rising like a colossus in the heart of the motorcar landscape. Steadfast, majestic, impressive yet approachable. Like the rising of the sun in all its fierce glory, greeting and warming the day, every day. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand opening of the all-new Eurokars Centre. The Eurokars Group headquarters where elevated luxury takes flight. Eurokars Group, one of the most vibrant automotive conglomerates in Asia, has been driving luxury experiences since 1985. With our headquarters in Singapore and strong operational presence in Indonesia, China, and Australia, Eurokars Group is renowned for our exceptional portfolio of luxurious and iconic automotive marques that continue to captivate discerning enthusiasts worldwide. We continually redefine premium excellence, driving stakeholder value with honesty and integrity, and delivering unparalleled ownership experiences. Throughout our journey, we remain steadfast in our social and environmental commitments. This year marks the 20th anniversary of Rolls Royce Motorcars Singapore. And we take pride in our journey of growth from a singular car showroom to the flagship residence for Rolls Royce in the Asia-Pacific region. The new Rolls Royce Motorcars Singapore showroom reflects the new visual identity of the brand, incorporating digital technology while offering an inviting yet sophisticated space for our clients. Being honored as the Asia-Pacific Dealer of the Year for 2022, we share a passion for excellence, craftsmanship, and design. We remain dedicated to offering our esteemed clients the pinnacle of bespoke experiences. Eurokars Auto is excited to mark our one-year milestone as the official BMW dealer with the opening of Singapore's first BMW Experience Centre. When you begin your BMW journey with us, we promise a smooth and enjoyable ride. We go beyond the showroom to deliver outstanding customer service and ensure your absolute satisfaction. From our authorized service centers to our BMW certified body and paint shop, we are dedicated to providing a smooth ownership experience. Our primary goal is to ensure an exceptional experience at every step. Book today, service tomorrow, because at Eurokars Auto, we want you to experience the difference of driving a BMW. For over a century, BMW has been a driving force of progress. We enhance your driving pleasure by blending dynamism, sporty performance, groundbreaking innovation, breathtaking design, and the highest standards of personalized support throughout your ownership journey. BMW, we don't just build cars. We craft a legacy of unparalleled driving. So today, we invite you to step through our doors to an exciting space of luxury experiences at a thrilling pace. Your motorcar dreams shining bright from our showrooms bathed in brilliant light. And now, as we light up the night sky in a dazzling display, let's come together and celebrate this joyous night. Eurokars Centre, now officially open.